Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you something very important. I'm going to be showing you how to verify your PayPal account, okay, on either your computer or your phone. So I'm going to start with the computer first. So what you want to do, guys, is first things first, go to this URL, paypal.com/my account/money. Okay, just go to paypal.com in a web browser, so you can use any browser and just log into your PayPal. So what you want to be doing, guys, basically, you want to come here under wallet, click on wallet from the top menu, and you want to click on add, link a card or bank. So basically what we're going to be doing, basically, guys, we're going to be linking either a card or a bank account to actually verify our PayPal account. Look, in some countries you can even use, your national ID, but usually if you just link your bank account, PayPal extracts your information from your bank account and it verifies you in that way. So you just come and click on, link a bank, a card or a bank. Click on that, and then what we're gonna do, guys, so they have two options. You can either click on link a credit card or link a bank account. Just click on link a bank account, okay? So because look, since basically you had to show, certain documents to verify who you are when you open a bank account, so PayPal actually can skip this formality by using your linked bank account, okay? So once you click on this, it's gonna give you different banks, different options, okay? You can browse through the list to just find your bank, or you can actually search for it in the search bar or at the top of the list. So we're going to be choosing a Bank of America. And then what's going to happen, guys? So it might instantly link your to your bank account. Otherwise, it's going to prompt you to actually log in. If it does, guys, just log in. What you're going to do is enter your username and a password. Otherwise, if it comes in, automatically, just okay, you can click on login. Otherwise, you can enter your details manually. And then once you do that, guys, once you log in, PayPal will actually redirect you. They will redirect you back to the PayPal page, and then what you want to do is click on agree and link. Okay, you're gonna click on agree and link, and basically, guys, your PayPal will be verified because you've connected your bank account. And if you want to use your phone, what you can do is just open up the PayPal app on your phone, click on your PayPal app, and then what you want to do, guys, is you want to come at the bottom right here, you want to click on wallet. Click on wallet, and then just click on add banks and cards. And what we're going to be doing again, guys, is we're going to be choosing banks. So basically, guys, we are going to be adding our bank account and we're going to be entering all our bank details. And we're going to be, if we're prompted, I want you guys to sign in. If you already logged in your mobile app for your bank, that'll be much easier. Basically, you just want to sign into your, um, if it opens in the browser, just sign into your internet, online banking. And once you do that, guys, it will redirect you back to the PayPal app, and then you can just click on agree and link. And basically, guys, you will be linked to your PayPal. And basically, this will verify your PayPal account. Okay, guys? It's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button. You can comment down below if you're still having any trouble. I'll help you out in the comments as well. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I can see you guys